you're at the beach. The ocean is calm, so you decide to take your raft and go out and float and relax for a little while. As you're relaxing, you naturally fall asleep. When you wake up, you're in the middle of the ocean. How did you get there? What could possibly be swimming beneath you? And just how deep is that dark blue water that seems endless? Well, according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration website, copyright 2016, the average ocean depth is 12,100 feet, or 2.3 miles deep. That's about 10 times the size of the Empire State Building. The oceans of the world are very vast and very deep. The Earth's oceans are important for human life, they contain a large environment of marine life, and they are responsible for some of the Earth's most natural disasters. So, why is the ocean responsible for human life, or how does it, in fact, make human life? I'm sorry. Why does the ocean benefit human life? Well, as you're sitting here listening to me speak, your body is controlling some very vital functions that are, in fact, keeping you alive. One of those things is that you're breathing. According to the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute, copyright 2017, the ocean produces about half of the oxygen that we consume. Without the ocean, we would literally be breathless. Also, the ocean plays a huge role in our water system. The World Wildlife Foundation website, copyright 2016, describes how large amounts of water evaporate from the ocean's surface. This water is then evaporated and then absorbed into the atmosphere. And once it's in the atmosphere, it turns into rain and clouds. This rain is a very valuable source for humans' crops and also a valuable source of drinking water for humans. Okay, so now that we know a little bit about how the ocean benefits human life, let's talk about some of the marine life that call the ocean home. Some of the smallest life forms on Earth are found in the ocean. These are referred to as microbes, or microscopic organisms. These microbes can only be viewed if they are under a microscope. They cannot be seen by the human eye. They are found in the deepest parts of the ocean, and they're also found on the surface of some of the shallowest parts of the ocean as well. On the opposite side of the wildlife chain, the largest mammal in the world, the blue whale, can be found under the ocean's surface. According to the Guinness Book of World Records website, copyright 2017, the largest mammal by weight was recorded at 352,000 pounds. The longest blue whale ever recorded was over 110 feet in length. To give some perspective on that, this is the size of a blue whale, and this down here is the size of a school bus. I'll pass this around so that you can get a little bit better perspective of just how large the blue whale is. Alright, so now that we know a little bit about the marine life that call the ocean home, let's talk about some of the natural disasters that occur from the ocean. One of these natural disasters is hurricanes. The National Geographic website, copyright 2015, states, quote, "Hurricanes are giant, spiraling tropical storms that can pack winds of speeds of over 160 miles or 257 kilometers an hour and unleash more than 2.4 trillion gallons or 9 trillion liters of rain in just one day," end quote. Hurricanes form in the middle of the ocean, and then they are powered by the ocean all the way until they hit land. A second type of natural disaster that occurs from the ocean are tsunamis. Tsunamis are caused when landslides or earthquakes occur under the ocean floor. The Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute website, copyright 2017, states, quote, "A tsunami can be dozens of feet high and hundreds of feet wide when it crashes into the coast. In March of 2011, there was a tsunami in Japan. When it crashed on the coast, the waves were over 30 feet high. Because of this incredible tsunami that hit the coast of Japan, over 20,000 people died. In conclusion, the Earth's ocean has the ability to provide humans with essential resources for life. It provides an environment for a variety of marine life, and it also can cause devastating natural disasters. Remember, the ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth in water and has the ability to provide humans with life, but it also has the ability to take that life away.